What's going on YouTube? It's me. Today we're doing Decryptify from TryHackMe. It's actually great because we're just gonna be learning here something great about Decrypt. We have just web server running on 3037 and we are just got here the invite code and the login page or something like that. After we're doing here something defuzzing and we just saw it here API.js and we can using here really cool things web correct from npm and then getting here invite codes. Actually it's not invite codes, part of invite codes. So after we log in as the user and we got here the usernames, the accounts or something like that, then after we actually did it in Decrypt and we are getting here invite code. After we did an invite code and we are showing here actually look here about padding the oracle, and then it's really vulnerable because we can just running here remote code execution, and then with it we can read to flag from home ubuntu flag.txt. So let's just jump in. As always, we're starting with mmap, so there's just two ports open here, but the otherwise is not shows, definitely is an SSH, but there is not showing us a web server. That's why I just running here default scripts, but there is running here on the IP addresses on the web server on 3037. So if you're trying to go here, so you can actually just guess it here, for example, about this which is the for example 500 or this one or something like that, which is cool, and then it's easy to be accessed here the web server like that. So we just got it here the login page and login with invite code, and then we are just need here if you are trying to be login with invite code email addresses, and if you are trying to be login with username, and then we just need invite code again. So yeah, we have just here to web server, and let's look at for the on the dir, and which one we can use for exposter dash URL, and then just give it this let's see dash URL for sure, right? Okay, so let me go dash URL and giving the web server which is running on. So we are getting here GS, which on PHP my admin and API.php. Those are actually which one is really important. So if you're trying to be looking for API.php, it seems like we are just blocked when we run for exposter or something like that on the web server. So if you're just killing that and trying to go again, and we are in enter API password. So it's just asking us to hear the password, then we can access API. The otherwise we can just looking for GS codes, and we are getting here GS, and which is just directory, and probably we have no access. So it has to be giving us forbidden, but now it's exactly showing us API.js. If you're trying to be looking for API.js, it seems like not we are want, right? So something since obfuscation JavaScript file or something like that. There's definitely we have tried to go here Beautiful, so something like beautiful GS or something like that. If I'm not so we just need to be giving here and beautiful codes, and it will giving us what you want. So there's just the value which is seems like the k seed or something like that, which is here, and then it seems like now you can ask us here JavaScript the file, and we can ask the ChatGPT what it's do and how it's going. So there's two main things we can try to be looking for first of all, but the important things to here we have to be understand is which one is constantly is running here this value. So it's after that obfuscated snip into our browser, and then it's just call this g and 0x and 96, and we get a string from the key array. So it's basically can do on your the inspect queue, and just go here and select this out. That's all you have to be do. But there's also another great things we can use for looking for on the internet. There's we can call as web crack, which is called is already here the it's about the obfuscate IO, for example anything you want to use here. and then it's about how to use it, and let's just actually use it for this room. So just gonna be go here and remove API JS, was it here before, and so I'm just gonna be calling here widget http cat api.js, and we are getting same thing. So if you are trying to be running here web correct, and you will be see here it's actually work, and we are getting here the const c, which is actually running for the same thing before this const c to this one. So it's just the obfuscate, everything is here, and we are getting this as the value. So and we can save it as a note here right now, and let's just continue. There's another codes and directories or anything about the here on the web server we are just so, and then we can directly try to be go. It's really bad if it's because I just nope for expose no for exposter and the weavers there was the logs, right? Let's see. I just kill it and it's bad, so let me run again, and yeah, there's a logs, and maybe we are getting here something. Let's just try to be looking for logs, and then what's going on here, and we are getting here app.log. So this is about the logs, and let's see what is it about. And if you're trying to be good, it's definitely double on it, right? Or no? So it's about the log here. So let's check it. Also this one, widget cat app.log, and then it's login attempt on index.php, and so it's invite created for the post is code is calling this. I'm not sure it's about the base64. Let's try echo and give this base64-d, then it's about it actually. So we are just getting here from the number. So it's about invite code. So then it's invite code created for alpha fake.TryHackMe, and then hello fake.TryHackMe. So it's actually seems like deactivated, but let's just try if we can log in as him. And I'm just trying to be go here login with invite code alpha fake.TryHackMe, and with this invite code for sure, and it seems like the user alpha fake.TryHackMe has been deactivated. So if we are trying to be connecting with him, we are just so it's deactivated, so we need to be go there as fake.hello at fake.TryHackMe. We just have to be go seems like here. So but there is something important here which seems we are trying to be go, and we have to be create seed value about hello at fake.TryHackMe. So it's just simple scripting about to here the PHP, and then I already ran it, and you may want to be used also, then which is great. It's over here. Sublime tags. No, it's not here. Okay. a.php. What the fuck? Sublime a.php, and then it's about creating here seed value, and about hello at fake.TryHackMe. Then we are just try to be login here as username. So after you run it here, actually php a.php, and the invite code for hello fake.TryHackMe is this. So I'm just going to be copy that and save as username, and then for this one, and we are invite coded here and try to be login, and it seems like it's not work. Oh, it seems to be here, I think, right? Yeah. Hello fake.TryHackMe, and giving invite codes, and we are in, and we got our first flag. It's just gonna be here. If you scroll down, it's gonna ask what is content of home ubuntu flag.txt, and then it's about the remote code execution. It's just calling us here, so it's also here it says ours and get remote code execution. So there's we can check for the first of all what's going on here. I'm gonna be open my Foxy proxy, and then let's refresh it and go for targets, and we are getting here something different. For example, here we are get PHP SSS ID and role or something simpler things is here, and then we are getting here controller U, and there is admin fake.TryHackMe. We can also check for this with controller U, and if you are looking for here, and it's about admin fake.TryHackMe. So there's if you are scroll down again, it's gonna showing us here the type hidden, and there's a value which one we didn't use before, and then I'm really thinking about what is actually think about it. So it's calling here the query about the date, then the value is equal that. So if you're trying to be go here, what if I call it here date and giving this one, let's see what's going to be showing us, and we are on the same thing, and it says padding error on then the length Decryptify. So we are totally sure right now it's about the here padding error, then it's about padding oracle attack. So if it's about padding error, let me check for, so we are just done them, padding oracle attack. It was already on the TryHackMe somewhere actually. You can check it, something like that. And they have to be used padding oracle attack. So there was on the user the tool on GitHub actually, which one is calling here padding oracle attack. Oh, let's see, Padra Linux, right? Padra Linux GitHub. So it was about to padding oracle attack, and so you have to create here decrypting things, and why we are this the machine name calling Decryptify actually. So it's showing us everything, how to use it, and then how to install it or everything here. And you can also use the here relays arena, and I'm just gonna be uploading here and download Padra Linux AMD64, and let's look for. So it's important what we can try here to about, we just know it's about after date, and we need to be giving here something different. So I already run it here sometimes before, and how it's actually work. Just want to be show you about it. As you know, we are getting here, so let me send it repeater, and we got here cookie, PHP SSS ID, and role or something like that, which one is just showing us here about there. The for encrypting, we have to be user commands, and the for cookie or same things are, we just need to be giving here cookie, and for session, we just need to be give this. So that's all what we have to just give there. Alright, so for example, if it's about terminate code execution, then I think we can run here ID command, which one I think giving us as data, right? So let's run it here, Padra Linux AMD and dash cookie. I think we have to be given first, and let's give it here cookie, and it's about which one we are just getting here, PHP SSS ID. We are just done here. All right, so let me just copy that and give it here, and now we just need to here role, and we are already get it, and which is all right. So it's need to be not starting here, it's need to be start here and adding here. Let me go, the role is there, and let me just give it and give it here. So we are just giving a role, and for URL, and it's about here. So we are just giving on the dashboard.php, and then after that, and we are just need to be give to the $sign. It's because it's unknown right now. So PHP date and the unknown things, and for example, let's encrypting here ID. So it's gonna be trying to be for HTTP connection. So let's see if it's actually work, and if we can get here the ID command and access here the for read flag.txt or home ubuntu flag.txt. So it seems to work. So let's just copy that, and now let's see if it's actually works. So we just need to be go here on the date part and just give it here, and we get as data. So I'm gonna be using same thing just for to what flag is giving us here, home ubuntu flag.txt, and then just gonna give it here, and then I hope it's giving us here the flag, and we are done the here machine successfully. So it's kind of take the time too much minutes. It's because there's not too much encrypting things this here. It will be creating decrypting, it's been to be long, the as the idea, so some it's just short, but it's definitely work. I'm just thinking if we can get reverse shell is there, and we're gonna be running here the same things here about the reverse shell. I'm not sure what's gonna be going here, so it has to be understanding this over there. Let's see. The alternative tools is something like that. Further read from school security, but let's just waiting for. Not here. Let's see. Oh, okay. It seems like nothing here. Let's see. All right, so it seems like it's done, and let's see if we can read. And let me go here. And then I'm looking for the paste, and we are get here got command execution. So that's all what I'm trying to be understand, and thank you for watching.